This is a sparrow. A sparrow is a small bird. This is a pigeon. A pigeon can fly high. This is a parrot. A parrot is a colorful bird. This is a crow. A crow is a black bird. This is a peacock. A peacock is the national bird of India. This is an eagle. An eagle has strong wings. This is an owl. An owl can see at night. This is a kingfisher. A kingfisher catches fish. This is a woodpecker. A woodpecker pecks trees. This is a duck. A duck can swim. This is a swan. A swan is a beautiful bird. This is a hen. A hen gives eggs. This is a penguin. A penguin cannot fly. This is a flamingo. A flamingo has long legs. This is a crane. A crane has a long neck. This is a dove. A dove is a symbol of peace. This is a hawk. A hawk can see very far. This is a vulture. A vulture eats dead animals. This is a robin. A robin is a small bird. This is a hummingbird. A hummingbird is very small and fast.